How do honeybees create those perfect hexagons? Prepare to be amazed. Honeybees are nature's little architects. They secrete beeswax from special glands on their abdomens. Worker bees then take over, molding this wax into hexagonal cells. Why hexagons, you ask? It's all about efficiency. Hexagons use the least amount of wax to hold the most honey, pollen, and larvae. But it doesn't stop there. These worker bees collaborate in large numbers, shaping the wax with their legs and mouths. Each bee plays a part in creating strong, symmetrical honeycomb structures. Their teamwork is nothing short of amazing. So next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember the incredible effort and precision behind each drop. Honeybees truly are the unsung heroes of nature. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.